How to make a YouTube short on CapCut PC. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. Launch a CapCut application in your PC, then select on a video or a recent project. So right over here, what you need to do is basically adjust the ratio. For that, click on the ratio tab and select on the option of 9:16, that is the YouTube short ratio. Then adjust the scale of the video so that it can fit the YouTube short layout. Now you can also adjust the size of it or the length of it as well. Then to make it more appealing, you can add a text, audio, or sticker. To add a text, you can just click on the text icon and tap on the plus sign icon. Then in your left hand side, you will see a tab in which you can edit the text. If you wish to add audio, you can just click on the audio option and add a desirable music. So this is basically how you make a YouTube short, as it is mostly of the ratio that matters. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.